Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can back up your Gmail. First thing first, get logged into your email, select your initial on your top right, and go for manage your Google account. Now as you do that, select data and privacy. Then you will see download or delete your data. Go for download your data. Now for convenience, select deselect all. Scroll all the way below. These are all the options that you can go for if you would like to download them as well and back it up. But I'm going to select only Gmail. So I'm trying to find Gmail here. You should do the same. I found the mail, so I'm going to select it. As you can see, I've only selected mail from other 67 options. So I'm going to scroll below and select next step. Now in here, you may go ahead and choose file type, frequency, and destination. You can change the destination and make it transfer to send download link via email. You can also choose OneDrive or Dropbox, but I find this easier. So frequency, you can either make it export once or export every 2 months for 1 year. That will be total 6 exports. So file format, you can choose it. I'm gonna go with zip. And file size, you can choose it as well. And select create export. And once done, you will also get an email. And from there, you can download a full backup of your Gmail. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you for watching.